Think Sumit, 8,215.20. Is that a big resistance? Second time in the day, market has fallen from there.
Hi, good afternoon, Pankaj. Well, yes, absolutely. Nifty has strong resistance at around 8230 levels. I think till the time 8230 is not taken away convincingly, buyers need to be cautious, because this time if Nifty is able to break 8150 on lower side, then we can see a correction in Nifty. I think fresh buy positions now should be taken only above 8230 levels. So if 8230 is taken away on high side, then we can see a rally till 8300 immediately, and an extended move can be seen till 8400 levels. But all this can be seen if Nifty is able to break 8230 levels on high side. If Nifty is not able to break 8230, and this time if it slips below 8150, then we can see a fall in Nifty till 8100 or probably 8050 levels also. So I think at present 8230 should be the stop loss for sell positions, and any buy should be taken only above 8230 levels only.
Right. In terms of Bank Nifty, after yesterday's correction, is it looking decent?
See, Bank Nifty is still weak. No doubt from lower levels today we have seen a recovery in Bank Nifty, but overall, if we see the structure till that time 18250 is not taken away on high side, Bank Nifty is weak, and this time if Bank Nifty is able to break 17800 on lower side, then there is a possibility that we might see levels of around 17600 or 17500 levels. So we are cautious on Bank Nifty too till the time 1820 is not taken away. Buyers should be careful, and if anyone is having a sell position, then they should maintain their stop loss at around 18250 levels, and on downside immediately 17800 is a support, and if 17800 is taken away, then we can see extended fall till 17600 17500 levels in next couple of days.
Right. Let's look at some stocks. What do you view about Bharat Financial? Back to the levels of 620 and a very sharp spike in the last 30 minutes.
See, Bharat Financial has given a good recovery from lower levels. We have seen that in last couple of days, from the levels of 500 or so, we have seen a one-way recovery in the counter. Now the counter is sustaining about 610 levels. This shows that there is some strength in the counter, and from present levels there is a possibility that we might see an up move till 670 680 levels. So yes, now at present Bharat Financial is looking good on charts. Now till the time 600 or 595 is not taken away on downside, one should be on long side in Bharat Financial for the upside target of 670 680 levels. One can initiate long position at CMP2.
Right. IOC is up 6%. Again, it's a big stock which is moving up 6%.
Yes, absolutely right. Well, we have given a buy call to our clients, so our clients might hold position in IOC. So as a disclosure, our clients can have positions. As far as view is concerned, it has given a breakout. After a long time, we have seen such a good up move in IOC. Immediately, 350 would act as a small resistance. As soon as 350 is taken away, we can rally in IOC till 380 or 400 levels. So overall, for a longer term horizon, IOC is looking good on charts, and today we have seen a classic move in the counter. I think if there is any deep of correction from present levels till 335 levels, then that should be used as a buying opportunity, because it has given breakout above 335. So I don't think it will again it will give a breakdown, or it will show weakness, because we have seen a breakout in the counter. Now if there is any correction from present levels, then there should be a good buying opportunity for the upside target of 380 and 400 levels.
Right. IGL is also up 2.7%. Any view?
Well, this counter is strong. If you see the structure of the chart, this counter has given a one-way rally, and it's continuously giving upside move only. Looking at the chart itself, it seems that now it's one-way headed for 980 or 1000 levels. I think anyone who is having a long positions, those who have taken few days back, they can hold on the existing positions with a trailing stop loss to be placed at 910 levels. And if anyone wants to initiate a fresh long position in IGL, then they can initiate with the stop loss to be placed at 910 levels on lower side for the immediate upside till 1000 levels.
Right. But IGL has not performed till about 5-6 years. Then in the last 1.5 years, it's done well. Do you think it will make up for all those losses or those returns that it was unable to give?
I think it will give classic returns. See, if you see the structure, if you see the chart of last 1 year from Jan 2016, stock has almost doubled from those levels. We have seen that the rally started from the levels of 455 or 500 levels, and once the breakout of 500 is when we saw breakout above 500 levels, we have seen a one-way rally, and now the stock has touched almost 950 levels. I think immediately, yes, it will give good decent returns in the next couple of months. If anyone who is having a horizon of next 4 to 6 months time horizon, then they can invest their money in IGL, because if 1000 is taken away, then there is a possibility that we might see a fresh 10% to 15% upward rally above 1000 levels. That means there is a possibility that we might see levels of around 1100 or 1150. So 1000 would be the final level for the counter. Above 1000 we can see, or we can expect levels of around 1100 soon. One has to keep a horizon of 4 to 6 months and can start initiating a long position at present levels too.
Right. Let's talk about some names that have done well but may not be a part of FNO series. So Sharda Cropchem is up around 6%. It's also been a big performer in 2016. Any view on that name?
See, Sharda Cropchem, today we have seen a good move in the counter from the levels of 448, 450. We have seen a up move till 490, 95 levels. The counter is good. Chartically, it is looking good. I think those who have taken long positions in Sharda Crop can hold on the existing long positions. And if anyone wants to initiate a fresh long position, then they should initiate long position at lower levels. When I say lower levels, that means one can initiate long position in Sharda Cropchem at around 470 or 465 levels. Immediately the stock will face resistance at around 500. If 500 is taken away convincingly, then we will see a 10% upside move from the levels of 500. So above 500 we can expect stock to touch 550 soon. And if anyone wants to initiate a long position, then one should wait for small correction of 10 to 15 points from present levels and then can initiate fresh long positions.
Titan is up 5% today, and right from the word go it looks strong. Any view on Titan Limited?
In last 3-4 days we have seen that Titan has given a good move from lower levels. From the levels of 305, 306, we have seen a one-way rally till 349, 350 levels. Immediately, yes, it has given breakout above 335 levels, and this breakout should take stock prices to 365 or 370 levels. So Titan is looking good on charts. I think those who have taken position in last 3-4 days, they can hold on their existing positions with a trailing stop loss to be placed at around 338 levels. And if anyone wants to initiate a fresh long position in Titan, then they can initiate a long positions with a strict stop loss to be placed at 338 on lower side for an immediate upside till 365, 370 levels in next couple of days.
Petronet LNG is also up 2% and volumes are in excess of 1.2 million. Any view on that? We spoke about Indraprastha Gas just a while back.
Well, this is also a strong counter. We have not seen a correction in the counter. This is counter is maintaining its strength. So as far as view on Petronet is concerned, yes, I think we can see a rally in Petronet. Immediately the stock has resistance at around 390 or 395 levels. So once the stock gives breakout above 390, 395 levels, then we can see a rally till 415, 420. So I think overall the counter is looking good. Anyone can initiate fresh long positions at CMP also, and if the breakout is seen above 395, 390, then a fresh long can be initiated, because I will get conviction above 395 for the targets of 415, 420 levels. Overall, chartically it's looking good till the time 360 is not taken away on downside. For a trading perspective, yes, one can initiate long positions for an immediate upside till 395 and then 415 levels.
Tata Motors has been doing well for the last few days. Any view on Tata Motors?
Well, Pankaj, Tata Motor has resistance at around 485, 490. So I think fresh long should be initiated above 490 levels only. Once 490 is taken away, then we can see a rally in Tata Motors till 525, 530 levels. I think anyone wants to initiate a fresh long position, then that should be only above 490 levels. Till that time 490 is not taken away convincingly, it's better to avoid long positions at present levels.
Right. On Tata Steel?
Well, see, overall metal stocks are looking good to me. We have initiated buy call in most of the metal stocks. As far as the view on Tata Steel is concerned, Tata Steel is moving in a range, and the range for Tata Steel is 430, 435 on higher side to 380 on lower side. Now from lower levels, from the levels of 380, stock has started its up move. So this time there is a possibility that we might see a move till a move till 435, and if 435 is taken away, then we will see a upside move till 460, 470 levels. So yes, one can initiate long position in Tata Steel at CMP 400 levels with a strict stop loss to be placed at 380 for the upside target of 435 levels.
Right. As we were talking to Sumit, there has been a little bit of correction in the market. So, you've seen about from the levels of 8215, suddenly markets have gone to 8,190. So, this level seems to be unsustainable for the market. Let's look at the broader markets as well. I think there would have been a little bit of correction there as well, but I don't really think much. Today would probably be the first day where you would get either a big FII buy or a sell number or any direction that you would look at. But again, today Japan markets are shut, Thailand markets are shut. So maybe day after is tomorrow or day after is when you also get these views or this trend coming in. So just a word on Sun TV. That's up 4% in the last few days. It's done very well. But I think last time around also you told us that around this 520, 530 mark, it is a decent supply zone for Sun TV.
Yes, Pankaj, absolutely right. See, there is a supply zone at around 525 levels, but I think this time we will see a breakout above 525. If 525, it's presently quoting at around 522 levels, and if 525 is taken away on closing basis, then we will see a move in the counter till 550, or probably we can see levels of around 570. I think the counter is maintaining this trend. Today or tomorrow we should see breakout above 525 levels, and if the breakout is seen, then one can initiate fresh long positions for the targets of 550 and 570 for next 3 to 4 days time horizon with a trailing stop loss trading stop loss to be placed at around 505 levels. So with a stop loss of 505, one can initiate long positions in Sun TV.
Right. Sumit, thank you so much for taking out time for us. Always a pleasure.